Welcome everyone. Let's begin our lesson for today by going over the learning goals and success criteria. First, what are we learning? We're learning how to understand the vocabulary associated with statements and word problems. How are we learning it? Through the reasoning about statements vocabulary flashcards and the reasoning about statements vocabulary quiz assignment. When can we use this information? To assist with the vocabulary in the lessons of this unit. How do you know you learned it? By getting a score of 4 on the reasoning about statements vocabulary quiz assignment. Now let's take a look at our agenda for today. We will begin by going over our learning goals and success criteria. While we do that, you'll fill out your Get It Started. After that, I'll give you time to complete the reasoning about statements vocabulary quiz using the flashcards. At the end of class, we'll go back over our learning goals and success criteria while you fill out your Before You Go. Your homework for tonight is to begin looking at the reasoning about statement study guide and any incomplete assignments that you may have. Let's talk now about how to access Quizlet to view your vocabulary cards. So if you notice, there are flashcards here when you click on the link to go to Quizlet. If you notice, if you click on the card, it will give you the term, and if you click it again, it goes to the definition. So you can click this back and forth, and it keeps going back and forth between the definition and the term. Now, that being said, the issue that you'll have is it won't let you view all the cards unless you log in. So this is how you log in. I'm going to go here to where it says log in, and I'm going to click on log in with Google. It's going to ask me to sign in. I'm going to use my school email account, and you should already be logged into that because you've accessed this through Google Classroom. So we should be good. So now I should see my picture here in the corner that says that I'm logged in. And now I can go through and view all the flashcards. I can go through to the next one and continue to flip them over and see the definitions and the terms. So you'll go through this, and then once you're done going through these, you can go back to the Google form and fill out your vocab quiz. Let's take a look now at the reasoning about statements vocabulary quiz assignment. The assignment begins with the learning goals and success criteria. If we scroll down, we can see the questions. The first question says, which term means a value of x which makes a function f of x equal to 0? And we call that a 0. So we go ahead and mark that. The next one says, which term means an equation whose graph forms a straight line? Well, we know that's a linear equation, so we'll go ahead and mark that one. And we're going to continue to answer these all the way until we get to the end of the page. Once we get to the end of the assignment, we'll click Next. This will take you to your Before You Go. Once you've completed your Before You Go, go ahead and go back to your Google Classroom and submit your work.